Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus, this is Num Num's Fitness. In today's video I have some healthy vegan dinner recipes for you. So first up is the apple sage stuffed peppers. So I'm starting off by boiling 1 cup of Uncle Ben's brown rice. I'm adding a half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. This is the sausage that I'm using, the field roast smoked apple sage, and I'm just slicing it up. And then I'm going to brown it on each side on a skillet. Now I'm adding 8 ounces of bella mushrooms and 1 small yellow onion, and I'm going to let that cook down. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, or you can use oregano, 1 teaspoon of minced sage, and a half cup of Granny Smith apple. And I'm just going to let everything cook until the apple cooks down. Now I'm adding 1 cup of brown rice and 1 can of rinsed and drained red beans. Now I'm seasoning it with some garlic powder, sea salt, and pepper. So now I'm just cutting the tops off of some peppers, and I'm going to take the little core and the inside out as well. And once I'm done doing all this, I'm just going to stuff it with the mixture. And that is it. Now I'm going to bake it at 350 for 45 minutes. And this is the final product. Next up is some roasted potatoes, some seasoned portobello mushrooms, and asparagus. So I'm chopping up some red potatoes and I'm adding them to a sheet pan. I'm seasoning them with some sea salt, some pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm also adding a little oil so they can get crispy. And then I'm going to bake them at 425 for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Next, I'm cutting the stems off of these whole bella mushrooms. And I'm sprinkling on some sea salt and some black pepper. And I'm also taking a little bit of flour and I'm seasoning it with some sea salt and black pepper as well. And then I'm just going to dip the mushrooms in it, coat it all around, and then add some oil to a skillet and let it crisp up on both sides. For the asparagus, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic oil. Then I'm going to add the asparagus and season it with some pepper and salt. And I'm just going to let it cook down until they're nice and tender. And that is it. The meal is complete. And last is a roasted veggie and wild rice bowl. This is very easy. Basically just roast a bunch of veggies and put it over some rice. So I chopped up some sweet potatoes, some cauliflower, and some fennel, and I added some grapeseed oil to it. And now I'm seasoning it with some sea salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm adding some cayenne pepper to the sweet potatoes because they go very well together. And I'm just going to mix all the veggies up and then bake it at 425 in the oven until they're nice and golden brown. This is the rice that I'm cooking. I got it from Trader Joe's. And once everything is done, I'm going to put everything together. I sauteed some onions, and now I'm adding the rice to it. I'm also adding 1 can of rinsed and drained chickpeas and some frozen spinach. And at this point you can season it however you like. Add some salt, pepper, garlic powder. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye now.